DoorDash tips and tricks for Charlotte, North Carolina. Maximize your earnings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing some essential tips and tricks for driving with DoorDash in Charlotte, North Carolina. Whether you're new to dashing or a seasoned pro, these insights will help you navigate the Queen City and maximize your earnings. Let's get started. Charlotte Market Overview. Charlotte is a decent market for DoorDash, but it has been oversaturated for at least a year. I remember the days when I used to make $35 per hour, but now it's closer to $18 per hour. This doesn't mean you can't make good money here, you just need to be strategic about where and when you dash. Best and worst areas. Avoid downtown. Downtown Charlotte is challenging due to limited parking, many one-way streets, and heavy traffic. Parking fees can also cut into your earnings. The area can be unsafe at times, with incidents of shootings and robberies. If you must dash downtown, try to have another adult with you for safety. Huntersville and Highland Creek. These are good areas to dash, with decent demand and safer environments. Stadium area hotels. After soccer matches, these areas are bustling, and you can get good tips from hotel guests. Concord Mills area. Traffic patterns are better, and orders are within a decent distance, making it easier to complete more deliveries. Suburban areas. Gastonia and Indian Trail can be lucrative, especially on weekends, with average earnings of $15–25 per hour. Peak hours and earnings. Weekends. On weekends, I usually clear $100. Late night dashing is the best, but the wait times can be long, so consider opting for pay by hour during these periods. Night dashing. I typically dash at night with another adult. For places like the Halal Card, I pull up as close as possible and wait with my hazards on. This way, I avoid parking issues and minimize interactions with the homeless. South Tryon and South Park. These areas are better for pay by offer. Freedom Doctor and Wilkinson Boulevard. Here, pay by time might be more advantageous due to longer wait times. Tips for specific areas. University area. Avoid this area if you can. Students tend to tip poorly. Myers Park, Montclair South. This area is great, especially around Atrium Pineville. There are many high-end restaurants, ghost kitchens, and medical centers, keeping it busy, particularly at night. York and Rock Hill. These areas are also profitable, especially on weekends. Maximizing earnings. Choose pay by offer. In Charlotte, most dashers prefer pay by offer over pay by time. This approach allows you to maximize your earnings by selecting the best paying deliveries. Monitor traffic patterns. Understanding traffic patterns can help you avoid congestion and complete more deliveries in less time. Safety first. Always prioritize your safety, especially when dashing at night. Stick to well-lit areas and avoid places known for high crime rates. Dashing in Charlotte, North Carolina, comes with its challenges, but with the right strategies, you can still make a good income. Focus on the best areas, choose your pay method wisely, and always stay safe. I hope these tips help you in your dashing journey. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. See you next time. Stay safe out there and happy dashing.